Are you showing Anna what's on her mat?
An elephant. It's an elephant, Anna. It's an elephant, Anna. It's an elephant.
Can you tell Anna what else is on her mat?
Another elephant.
Another elephant.
It's kissing me, mommy elephants.
Are they kissing the elephants?
It's very big. It's very big. It's eating eggs.
The elephant's eating some eggs?
Cheese.
With cheese.
He's still hungry. He's got the horn. He's got the horn dog. I'm eating the elephant. Oh, I'm eating the elephant.
That's silly. And what about you, Anna? Looks like Anna's eating the monkey's foot.
Monkey.
It's okay if Anna has the monkey. You have 2 elephants. And Anna has the monkey.
Pivot. Oh, there's a pivot. Oh, there's a pivot. Pivot.